How to fix call dialer change problem in Android. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix call dialer change problem in Android. Now, if you see that your call dialer has been changed and you want to revert it back, then the first thing you want to do is open up your settings. Now scroll down and tap on apps. From this list, tap on the phone app. Now you want to tap on force stop. Go ahead and tap on the OK option. Once that is done, next thing you want to do is tap on the storage option. Now tap clear cache. Then you want to tap on clear data and tap on the delete option. This is going to delete all the data of your phone. After that, you want to restart your device. Go ahead and restart that. Now when you open the phone app, it will be reverted back to how it was before. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.